I'm going to a Netflix premiere in London for Bridgerton's new show, Queen Charlotte. I can't believe I'm going. What just came in the post? Oh my god, option one that I'm wearing at the premiere. This cost an arm and a leg. This cost me 1k, £1,000. It's ridiculously expensive. I really wanted to, let me put this down. I really wanted to rent this out on By Rotation or Her for £160. But my size isn't available. We have two options. One is from House of CB, which is like a safe alternative. It's still really stunning, but I love this one and you'll see why. I saw Cinzia Baylor-Zullo wear this for a premiere that she went to a few months ago in London, and so I'm so excited. Let me take this out. I don't know, I'm really scared to like even attempt to put it on. Literally so gorgeous, so glamorous. I got it in a size 10. I'm usually in between a 10 and a 12, but like honestly it's stunning. Everyone online has said that this runs a little bit big, so I did size down to the 10. I have hips and a bum, guys, so obviously I had to like get the smaller size. But anyway, let me try this on. Okay, this is the dress. What do you think? It is stunning. Do not get me wrong, it's stunning. I love the open shoulder, like the asymmetric, the slit. Obviously I'll lift the boobs up a little bit with boob tape or a bra, but downfall is the zipper is a little bit damaged, and the dress underneath, I'll show you in a little montage, it's got like little scuffs and marks inside, plus it really is quite big. It doesn't fit amazing to look at from the visual eye. It's absolutely stunning. I'm not sure if you can see the slit, but it's absolutely stunning. Oh, I don't know, I really love this dress. I think it will make a statement. I love the feathers, but for 1k, for a dress that I'm paying 1k for, it's just the material, and it genuinely feels like I got this from Misguided. I'm so disappointed because this dress, I had so much vision for the dress, and the feathers, I don't know what they look like on camera right now, but they're not as full as I thought they would be. I feel like you wear this dress 3 times and the feathers are gone, because they're already shedding a little bit, but it's so stunning though. This is option number 2. This is the House of CB dress. Okay, now that I've put it on and having seen the other one, this is fine. This is gorgeous. I can't unsee this dress. When I saw it initially, I was thinking House of CB, love the brand, honestly rep for the brand, but will someone else be wearing a similar dress to me? So it's a bit of a risk. But like the red, very Netflix. I'll be like literally blending in with the Netflix line. Red carpet could potentially be a disaster with the clash on clash, but we'll see. It's not going to be like a red carpet all night, which is the good thing. There's going to be like, it's a tea party, so we're going to be, you know, do other things and stuff like that. So what do you think? How I would style this dress is, I bought this gold bag from Zara, so I'll probably like wear it like this. Right, I want to be comfortable all night, so the option would be to wear these red shoes from Nasty Gal. They're little kittens, not too tall, and it goes with the dress. Or go with this gold heel, which is a bit taller, from Zara. Now these are a bit painful, so I would go with this one. I really would, but because of how painful they can be after a while, and that's with an event where you have chairs and you don't have to walk around for a lot, I don't know, I don't think I'm going to go with this one. I think I'm going to go for this. I do love how this is a corset, so very on Bridgerton theme. It's more modern, it's more kind of red carpet look than tea party, but we've got a corset vibe going on, and this is what we're working with because the event is in 2 days. I've left it really last minute, so yeah, this is what I'm going to wear. So I forgot to say that I got the corset in a size large in the bigger cup on House of CB website. If you go on Selfridge's website, I don't think you can get bigger cup or smaller cup. I think you can just choose like the size that you want, and it'll automatically give you the smaller cup, which isn't ideal. I actually got in a medium. I tried the large and it was just so big on my waist because I've got a small waist, big hips, big bum. So I got a medium and it actually fits perfect. The waist is actually perfect as a stretch because the waist is still a little bit big, but it still fits regardless. And yeah, this is my board on Pinterest. The red inspo came from this, and then also the shoulder inspo also came from this. Really nervous, but I think it's going to be a really great night. And Marnie is fabulous. If you follow her, you'll see that she's already like posted her journey. Ooh, I'm so excited. All right, cool. I will catch up with you on Friday when I'm on the way to the apartment that we've got to get ready for the event, and just basically take you guys on as much of the journey as I can, because I don't know how much I can record in there. I don't know how much I'm even going to have the capacity to do that. But yeah, excited. Hey my love. So, oh my god, what a stressful morning. Literally got into London and had a million things to do. Decided to get my nails just little natural gel shellac in red to go with my dress because I want to wear rings, and it's just been one thing after the other. Made it to the apartment that Imani and I are staying at. It is a part of Luck Hotels, and you know guys, I love this hotel, this like chain. We're rushing. We've got an hour to get ready. Imani's
It's crazy, guys. It's crazy.
Imani's literally like just zoom, but I'm here for it. Look at her.
I'm running around.
She's literally running around, but I'm here for it. So we're gonna get ready now, and then we'll catch up with you when we're all ready, dressed, ready to go. We've got a couple drinks. I need it because you're gonna need to make this wet rag look cute. But yeah, but let me show you the apartment. It's stunning. Obviously, bear in mind that We Are Girlies going to a Netflix premiere, so we will be showing you the everything everywhere kind of vibe, and that's better, isn't it? It's the real us. So this is the gorgeous little living room / kitchen setup. We've just moved the chairs so we could have space to do some content. And look at Imani's ring light. She has literally come so prepared. I am like obsessed. She is doing her makeup.
Don't like jammies.
I love it. Where is it from?
These are Love and Roses. It's actually wedding pajamas. I'm not
Really?
getting married tonight.
It's okay. We marry ourselves. We're right by Millennium Bridge. Stunning. We've got water view. It was chucking it down this morning, and the weather has just come through. Room, of course, as girlies, we've got shit everywhere. But I absolutely love it. And then my Zara bag over here. Right, have to go. Bye. I got us some little cans of passion fruit martini, because who can get ready without a drink? Not me.
How are we doing for time?
I have no clue.
Oh my gosh. We're not looking yet.
It's on charge. We should put an alarm. Hey Siri. Ooh.
Cheers. Cheers to Bridgerton, Queen Charlotte.
Nice.
Cheers again.
Cheers again.
That deserves two.
Imani's busy doing her TikTok video. So she's recording now. Watch her.
It is time we were united as a society.
That's my friend.
We're doing TikToks. For 8, when it gets to 1.
Okay, cool.
Okay, back. Okay, let's see.
Protect my modesty.
It's a few people here, hon.
Guys, we are stressed.
Very stressed.
The event is starting in about 40 minutes. We are 30 minutes away. No, we're good. The cab is coming in 8 minutes. But I want to show you my outfit real quick. The band is Claire's, and the jewelry is Anna Louise. I honestly am sweating. Give us a 360 spin though. What do you think? Is it Bridgerton with the corset? We made it. We are going to get there at 5:01 and it starts at 5. So we've got between 5 and 5:30 to get our pictures on the red carpet.
Honestly.
I just want to see all the celebrities. I'm so excited. What are you most looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to the outfit.
Me too. I'm looking forward to the outfit and the music.
Yeah.
The music, because it's Bridgerton. Like, it's the music.
I've got a sweaty T-zone.
I have my shaving gel because I'm sweaty down there. But yeah, so TMI. So I'm looking forward to getting there. Right, save the battery, so
Yeah.
I'll show you when we get there.
Save the bat.
We're literally in Leicester Square, overdressed, and everyone is just watching us.
But look at our skin though. Like, we're glowing.
We're glowing. Yes. Gorgeous. ¿Guapa español? Sí. Ah, ¿cómo está? Being nice. I want to watch the whole thing now. Leicester Square, we're so excited.
So excited.
We're going to watch the first 2 episodes. Hello my loves. Just got in from the Bridgerton Queen Charlotte premiere and wow, I look crazy. Ignore me, I'm just washing my face off. It was honestly something else. I really enjoyed it. We basically got there and it was this giant tea party garden thing with foods, like swings. Everyone was in full-on Bridgerton, like theatrics and costumes. The girlies were girlying with the outfits. I saw corsets, I saw frills, I saw gloves. Honestly loved it. Although I didn't see anyone with a tiara or a headband like me. So the main actress, India, I believe her name is, who plays young Queen Charlotte, she slayed. Her outfit, I'll try and find a picture online or something. I took a little video from the back, but she was doing press. We didn't get to meet them, even though we were in the same room. They're separated, obviously, because they are the cast. What celebs? A lot of Netflix celebs. So people from Heartstopper. Sorry, shout out to Izzy Curry. I loved her. There were the girls from You, who played Phoebe and Nadia. They looked stunning. Hermione is just currently editing her TikTok that she made. And I'm honestly just so grateful to have even been in the room with so many like celebs and people that are just killing it. This is the type of places the type of events I want to go to. Yeah, I'm excited to see all the costumes, all the content, and what kind of come to life. I have so much to show you. Right now we've got food coming. I ordered KFC, get in my Bella. But yeah, like, we watched the first episode. It was really, really good. I almost think this story might be, I don't want to say better than the Bridgerton series because it's different, but the humor is up there. Like, the banter is up there. You've got Lace Danbury as young Danbury. This is where she starts having her opinions, and you see her married. You see how she navigates that. Young Queen Charlotte's the same as older Queen Charlotte, but she becomes a bit more cold as an adult, but when she's younger she's warm. So I'm really excited to see how does her relationship with the king change. We know the king in Bridgerton has, suffers from mental health issues, and episode 1, I won't give it away, but episode 1 ends weirdly after they're married. So I'm like the king, like, I want to see what happens. I'm gagging for it. So it comes out the 4th of May. I'm so excited to be watching the rest of the series with everyone. And if you're a fan, let me know in the comments below. Let's have a little watch party, let's have a little conversation about it. But yeah, for now I'm gonna eat. Off to get my food that's come. This is what we have working for us. You can't go wrong with KFC gravy. I'm so sorry, but you can't.
Oh my gosh, okay.
You're so good. You got salad. Right, good night.